Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
So, I'm looking at these two espresso machines, the Breville Barista Touch and the De'Longhi La Specialista Arte, and they both seem pretty good. Where do we even start?
Well, price is always a good place. The De'Longhi is significantly cheaper, around $500, while the Breville is closer to $800. That's a pretty big difference right off the bat.
Yeah, that's a factor. But what about features? The Breville has a touchscreen, which seems pretty fancy.
It does, and it lets you save up to 8 personalized coffees. The De'Longhi is more dial-based, a bit more traditional. It has 3 presets: espresso, Americano, and hot water. It has a more hands-on feel.
Okay, so Breville is more user-friendly maybe? What about the grinder? Both have built-in grinders, right?
Yep, both conical burr grinders. The Breville has dose control grinding, aiming for the perfect amount of coffee. The De'Longhi boasts 8 grind settings, which is pretty decent.
In milk frothing? I need a good latte.
Both have milk frothers. The Breville has an automatic microfoam milk texturing wand, which sounds amazing. The De'Longhi has what they call my latte art wand, promising silky microfoam. They both want you to make latte art, haha.
Okay, so both can handle the milk. What about size? Kitchen counter space is precious, you know?
The De'Longhi is a bit more compact, about 11 inches deep versus the Breville's 12.6 inches. Not a huge difference, but something to consider. The De'Longhi is also slightly lighter.
Right. Every inch counts. What about the heating system? I want my coffee now.
The Breville uses a thermojet heating system that heats up in 3 seconds. The De'Longhi doesn't mention heat-up time specifically, but I would guess it's a bit slower.
Wow, 3 seconds? That's impressive. Okay, so cheaper, smaller, but maybe less automated with the De'Longhi. More expensive, touchscreen, faster heating with the Breville. Sounds like it depends on what I'm looking for.
Exactly. If you want ease of use and speed, and don't mind paying more, the Breville sounds great. If you prefer a more hands-on approach and saving money is a priority, the De'Longhi could be the better choice.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.